Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS icons. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS font awesome icons. To use the font awesome icons, you will go to their website, which is fontawesome.com, and sign in. Sign up and get a code to add in your HTML head section. But if you don't want to sign up or sign in or whatsoever, you can just use the cdnjs.com website, copy the font awesome library 4000 icons library there and paste it in your head section, and that's all. So in our future tutorial, you are going to be able to see this 4000 playlist in our channel. But right now, what you are here to do is that we want to use the 4000 icon itself without downloading anything and without installing anything. So I'm not an Englishan. I want you guys to know that. So please understand my grammar very well. And right now, let's get back to the document and do something nice. We don't want to talk much. This is the code we want to manipulate. By the left side right here, we want to have some icons right here. Back to this place. This inside our browser. We want to use this fontawesome.com website. Let's copy this and head to our search box, put it there and search. When you get there, you're going to see this page. This is the fontawesome website page. And inside this page, to register, you can just click this start button. When you click this start button, put your email address inside here and click send kit embed code. When you press it, it's going to take you to you're going to send a link to your website, then to your email address. After that, you are going to create a password and the username. After creating the password and username or whatsoever, you can just come here and click sign in. After clicking the sign in, you are going to see this box again. Put the email address and put the password you have created earlier. So, and that's how you can use it. But right now, we don't want to do that. We don't want to sign up. So we are now going to head to this place. At the top of this nav bar right here, look at this. We are having start, icons, docs, plans, support, and the podcast. You are going to click these icons. So clicking these icons, then you are going to see all this page again. This page, you are going to see by the right side here, you are going to see these free and open source icons. Click it. When you click it, it's going to show you some icons which you can use. As you can see, we are having a lot of icons here. I'm just going to click this bicycle. Let's say for instance I want to use this bicycle icon. I will click on it. When I click the bicycle icon, it's going to pop up like this, and you're going to see HTML, React, Vue, and the SVG. All these, they are different type of code you can use in your website, but right now I want to use this HTML code. So when I copy it, you are going to see that it's going to pop up something that it says copied. So you will now use Ctrl C there. You are just going to do like this, highlight it only. When you highlight it, finish, hold it, and you are going to see it's going to show copy. And we are done right here. You are going to close it now. Let's close this fontawesome.com now. We are closing it already. Now the link we copied so far, we can paste it immediately after our h1 opening tag right here. When we paste it there, as you can see, it's enclosed with this h1 with this I tag. This I tag, inside it is where we are having this class attribute. We are having inside it, we are having this var dash solid var dash bicycle, and this is what makes icons for us. So let's save our document. If it's going to show, when we reload, it's not going to show. Can you see when I'm reloading, it's not showing anything? So to show it, that's when the other link comes up, cdnjs.com. you are heading there right now. Now inside our browser again, let's paste it and head there. Now we are inside the cdnjs.com. As you can see right here, this is the page. So right here at the nav bar side right here, you are going to see this library at your right hand right here. The libraries, click it. When you click the library, this box is going to pop up, and inside the box, just click inside it and write font awesome, or just write font. If it display this font awesome, then it's enough. Just click the font awesome. When you click it, you're going to see it's going to show you different links right here, but the link we need is this first one at the top right here. As you can see, we are inside the font awesome library that is inside this cdnjs.com. So this font awesome library is the one that we are going to use this link. Let's copy this link quickly. Use right click and copy it. Come back to your code at this head section right here. Immediately inside this head section, you can paste it. If you paste it, as you can see, it's white like this. Definitely we need link. We need to put it inside link. You are going to create this link tag inside the href tag. You are going to paste it there. Save your document and reload. You are going to see the display. Can you see the bicycle now display? So let me give it a space right here so you can see it clearly. When I save it and reload, can you see the bicycle is right here now? So let's say you want to use any icon now, you can now use it. So definitely we don't need this CDN again. But there is another way we can use we can copy the link. I told you we can copy the link in another way. Let's paste the CDN. No, let's come back to our document. Let's say we copy this cdn.js, we come back, we paste it here, and we search. After that, we go to this library, and after the library, inside the library, we search for font awesome. We click this font awesome. After the font awesome, as you can see, we can now use this icon by the right side of this link. This is the first link we want to use, but we are not going to copy it in this manner. We just want to use this middle icon right here. This first link, the second link, and the third link. The second link is the one we want to use, the one at the middle. Just click it like that, and it's going to show you copied. Then come back to your document again. When you head to your document, you can delete this one. Let's say we want to paste the one we copied so far, you can just Ctrl V, and this is the link you copied now. Just imagine it's also the same thing we copied by ourselves. Can you see? It's also the link we copied, which is this. But the only thing that is there is that this one is having integrity, and it's having this cause origin, is having this referral, all these attributes is also there. But we don't want it. If we don't want it, we can remove it, and if we want it, we can just leave it. Save your document and reload. The same thing is going to occur. Can you see? No changes. So that's all you can do. So let me just bring it back to the one we did ourselves. So I leave it like this. We don't put any other thing. As you can see, I bring it back to the normal one, which is not long. The code is not long. Can you see? So that's all. This is what we need for now. As you can see, let me show you very well. This is all the link we copied. Can you see? This is all the link, and this is the link to the CDN which we copied so far. So let's save our document. Our document is working nicely. So now let's get back to our code to our document right here. Let's delete the CDN page. Now let's say for instance we want to use another icon. Definitely we must go to this fontawesome.com again with that. So paste this here and go to the fontawesome.com. When you head to the fontawesome.com, don't forget how I said you are going to navigate. Go to this, click these icons. When you click the icons, inside this icon you can click this free and open source by the right. Free and open source. When you click the free and open source, you are going to see many icons right here. Let's say I want to use this I like this gear, so I'm going to use this gear icon. I'm just going to click it. When I click it, it's going to pop up, and you are going to select it. When you select it like this, leave it. You are not going to use the Ctrl C or whatever. Just highlight it like this and leave it, and remove your hand from it. Let me close this now. Definitely we don't need it again. We don't need it again. So I can even close everything here. We don't need it again. Let's go to our workplace. This is where we are working. Let's just use the icon right here. Immediately inside this our p tag. Let's paste it right here and give a space here, just that it can look nice. Let's reload our document now. You are going to see it around here now. Let's reload. Can you see? Now it's right beside our document. Let's say you want to put it at the right side here. You can also copy it. You can just remove it from that left side. You can just paste immediately before the last p tag and reload your document. Let's reload. Can you see? Now it's right hand side there. So that's how you can use the font awesome link. So I want you guys to practice it, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede Ayofe is my name once again. Don't you forget what I told you. If you don't want to sign up or whatever, that's when you are going to use the cdn.com website and enter the library. After the library, you can search the font awesome there. Font awesome. After you see the font awesome pop up, you can just click the link and take the link from the first link you saw there. And also the fontawesome.com is for picking the icons name. Also the icon class. The icon class is from the fontawesome.com website. So that's what you should note. And what akorede Ayofe is my name once again. As you can see, we are having a lot of icons here which we don't. Let's say we want to use some of these icons, and let me copy all these things now. If any one of it is CSS now, you are going to see how they are going to. Let's save our document now. They are going to display. Let's reload our document. Can you see 1 2 3 4 5? These are the icons we copied from this our document now. So and everything can work very well. So just imagine if you don't have this top link right here, the CDN link. When we remove it from it, it's not going to show. None of the icons is going to. Can you see? But when we bring the CDN link back and save our document, when we bring the CDN link back and save our document now, we are going to see all our icon is going to display. Can you see? Everything is displaying now. So that's what I have for you guys right now. And what akorede Ayofe is my name once again. And what akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.